Hunter, this dude in front of you is wearing a welding jacket and a Waffle House hat. Look at him. He's... Oh my God, Jacob, you are incredibly gay. I've pretty much just been tuning everybody that's not us in this voice channel out.
Can you hold my gun?
Do I want your gun?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
Put on my glove.
I'm gonna need your help to get my phone and shit in here in a second. That went right in front of me. Can you hold these? And this? I'm sorry. Alright, phone is in place. We got comms up and running. Jake, where you at? Oh, he's in the way back. Back in that corner over there. Can we right now just establish that asking where somebody is and giving a person's description as a response is not very good?
You're what?
I said, if I ask where either one of you two are and I get a description of a person, not a landmark, we're gonna fight.
You will. Where are we going?
Upstairs. Nope, go left, Hunter, go left! I'm in no man's land behind the break. Good shit. Blue. We're blue. I'm talking to my friend, I'm sorry. Yeah, we're blue, Hunter. I'm in no man's land. I am staying in no man's land right now waiting for you. Where are you? Oh, I hear you. Hunter, where'd you go? Can you look into the green doorway? No one there? You're sure? All right. All right, I'm right here. Don't respawn us. I'm right here. I'm still in no man's land. I haven't moved. I'm still right outside that green door. Come on. I'm waiting for you. I don't know. Did you get him? Did you get him? I'm sorry!
Over!
Alright, we're clear behind it. Don't push up too far. They're gonna have a hell of a time getting me out of here. Sorry! I got no eyes. They're not coming to my side. fuck? Dude, I'm about 1 BB an inch away from my plate carrier quitting. I'm also respawning, stay there. I'm respawning, where you at?
That was great, holding that shit, both of us each side.
Dude, I'm about 1 BB, I'm 1 BB an inch off of the plate carrier again from quitting for the day, dude. Hey, this way, this way, this way. I flipped the bucket, I flipped the bucket. Hit! Fuck. God damn. Dude, I'm almost done. This shit's pissing me off. What the fuck? That was my fault. I didn't have my hand up. Somebody dropped the barrel cover and spawn. Let's go back to Jake. I'm sorry, that was supposed to be your plate carrier. No, stay here, dumbass. Hunter. No, get on this. This doorway. Do it. Van. Hunter, I'm under the stairs. Yeah. There's spawn stairs by that bus or by the van. Hunter, where are you at? Okay. Yeah, I'm in castle. Hit! Nice trade, nice trade! I'm dead. I'm dead. Where are you at? he's by Area 51.
Oh, okay.
Hunter, I'm coming in from back of no man's. I need an exact location, dude. I need an... It's by cemetery. What? I'm on Chernobyl, dude. I got lost. Yeah. Right under that crouch, right up top of the stairs. Fuck, none of my mags are fucking cranked all the way. Yep, good shit. Oh! I think my camera just got shot. Hey, boss. Is my camera lens intact? Did my camera lens just get shot?
I don't see any cracks.
Sweet, thank you very much. Look out, look out. Yeah, I'm in lab. I'm stuck in the lab. Absolutely jammed right now. Hunter, I'm in a jam. I need help.
That sound nice?
This is too close. This is too close to their spawn. I'm dead. I don't know, I'm coming back to spawn. We could. We could probably do something cool. Where are you at? You're in Kill House? What room? What? Where? No, stay where you're at. Where are you at? What the fuck, Hunter? I'm staying here. Please. I'm holding kill house. Get here. Go, 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 go. Far back left, far back. I'm sorry, I'm sorry. We'll trade. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sitting next game though. I need a second to control myself. I know. I'm just... I need to find the dude that I overshot. I'm so sorry about overshooting you, dude. That
I can't. This isn't mine. I didn't know if I was shooting you or not, and then you flinched, and I was like, oh, I got it.
Oh, you're good.
How do I wait? I don't have a bear second. Take care.
Is it a pistol? Just take your mag out. As long as your mag's out, you're good.